Hi, CJ here with another updated Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform a photograph into a pencil sketch effect. To get started, press Ctrl or Command J. Now click on the adjustment layer and select Hue Saturation. Reduce the saturation to -100. Click on the thumbnail of layer 1 to make it active. And change the blend mode to color dot. Now invert it by pressing Ctrl or Command I. So now your image should look almost all white. You should barely be able to see it, depending on what image you have. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Slide the radius to the point that looks good to you. Now your image should look more like a pencil drawing than a photo. Click OK. Now to make the image look more dense, click on Adjustment Layer again. This time, choose Level. Slide the input dark to the right until you have just the right amount of density. If other areas are too dense, open the brush tool. Make the brush size relatively large depending on your image. Set the hardness to 0% and the opacity about 40%. Make sure the foreground color is black. Then brush over the areas you'd like to make less dense. Now I don't have this in my image, but if there's some areas that need to be cleaned up, make a composite snapshot by pressing Ctrl, Shift, Alt, E, or Command, Shift, Option E on a Mac. Invert the foreground and background colors by clicking on the curved double arrow icon, or by pressing X on your keyboard. Set the brush size small to medium, about 50 pixels and the opacity to 100%. Now brush over the areas you want to clean up. These simple techniques can help you transform any photo into a beautiful pencil drawing. And that's it. I'm CJ Grace. Thanks for watching.